Welcome back to L&E channel. Today we talk about surprising ways to use baking soda, a very popular and familiar thing to everyone. Baking soda. One little box, 50 amazing uses. From cooking to cleaning to beauty care, let's discover why it's the most versatile product in your home. 50 brilliant uses of baking soda are classified into 8 main groups below. First is in cooking and baking. Add baking soda to cakes or cookies for perfect fluffiness. Tenderize meat by marinating with a pinch of baking soda. Neutralize acidity in tomato sauce. Soak beans faster and softer. Remove fishy odor before cooking. Second group is cleaning power. Clean stovetops, pans, and countertops. Remove burnt marks from pots. Deodorize your fridge. Clean microwave with lemon and baking soda water. Scrub bathroom tiles and sinks. Polish silver jewelry and stainless steel. Next group is odor neutralizer. Place an open box in the fridge or freezer. Sprinkle inside shoes overnight. Use on carpets to absorb bad smells. Add to cat litter boxes for freshness. One other group is beauty and personal care. Brush gently with baking soda for whiter teeth. Mix with water for mouth rinse. Use as natural deodorant. Foot soak for odor-free relaxation. Gentle exfoliation for skin and nails. Next group is laundry and home care. Add WAV cup to laundry for cleaner clothes. Remove sweat odors and stains. Freshen pillows, mattresses, and rugs. Clean your washing machine naturally. In the garden is one other group of baking soda uses. Spray diluted mix to remove fungus on leaves. Clean moldy plant pots. Repel ants and insects naturally. Deodorize compost bins. Next one is in health and first aid. Relieve heartburn, 1/2 tisp in a glass of water. Soothe insect bites and sunburn. Mouth rinse for ulcers. Detox foot bath for relaxation. Caution: consult a doctor before ingestion. The last group is DIY and miscellaneous. Make DIY bath bombs and scrubs. Clean chrome and stainless steel. Deodorize old books or clothes. Extinguish small grease fires safely. Fun science projects for kids. There are endless uses of baking soda. Just one small box, 50 big solutions. Try baking soda for a cleaner, greener, happier home. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more eco-living